Hi, this is Angela Dawn. Welcome to the Specialty Pharmacy Summit for 2016, hosted by Asembia. Now, the exhibit floor just opened, so we're going to go talk to some of the attendees.
I had a really great session listening to one of the vice presidents from Anthem, and she really gave me a good perspective of coverage when it comes from the payer's perspective. I have a team of reimbursement specialists who truly are on the phone day in, day out, advocating for patients and pushing prior authorizations through. But I've never really seen kind of what happens and why certain decisions are made, like requesting a step edit or making stricter prior authorization guidelines for certain medications.
I think one of the challenges that we've heard a lot about today has been about patient engagement and really following the patient's journey throughout their full life cycle. For us, we are a reimbursement hub provider at WRB, and for us that's a really important challenge. We're there to help them get their medicines, do prior authorization, so for us that's a critical topic.
Specialty pharmacy, I think, is going to be an increasing focus for the healthcare systems. If you think about drugs and drug therapy today, we give a broad approach to antibiotics for a condition. The idea that that's appropriate care, I think as we look back from a point in the future, is going to be seen as something that is completely ridiculous. Surely you want an individual drug that is focused on you from a specialized perspective. So I think this represents the tip of the iceberg.
This has been one where you're here with a lot of other specialty pharmacies. I'm a specialty pharmacy, so a lot of people might view that as competitors, but we're really discussing best practices and opportunities in which we can basically bring better services to the patients that need these medications. And how do we collaborate with the manufacturers? How do we collaborate with different clients within the payers? And I think that's what Asembia has done, is kind of broken the walls with respect to, like, hey, you're not a competitor, you're a compatriot, and working with you in getting that for the patient.
The number one concern currently today is how to manage specialty pharmacy, specifically on the medical benefit. We've seen across the care continuum that a lot of times in the pharmacy benefit, using the prescription benefit manager, you're able to control costs. The biggest elephant in the room that everybody's coming in and we're seeing rooms filled in droves is managing on the medical side. And so I've seen some really neat, innovative solutions, if you will. So now it's a matter of implementing them.